Good afternoon, all. God bless you and your family. This is just a quick video as to provide an update for my subscribers. I sincerely apologize for my delay with this project, Buick 455 G-Body Big Block project. I recently received this a couple of days ago. The original with the filter, I misplaced it when I took everything apart under here, but I have that now, the lid, the filter, and the vacuum tube with it. And regarding my 494 cubic inch stroker, is completely put together, all right? I will post one of the photos as a thumbnail for this video. It's done. The weight is me. I need to provide, hey, I'm gonna get personal, okay? My subscribers, I need to provide another $1,000 payment and my motor will be shipped to me. And that $1,000 additional balance is because I ordered some extra things as in a T8 Performance high torque mini starter, and that's it. So the delay for the longest has been me. I whittled it down. $1,000 left and the motor will be shipped. Mr. Weiss is currently setting it up for the dyno, and the major delay, oh, and it's a solid lifter, roller cam. The camshaft is a custom grind. Manufacturer is Crane, C-R-A-N-E, and I think it's Morel, M-O-R-E-L, solid lifters. Excuse me, I am very dry. Moving forward, yes, solid lifters. Mr. Weiss recently installed those after removing the prior mechanical roller lifters that gave two prior customers of his stroker motors issues. So thank God I don't have to experience that, as Mr. Weiss added in a message he sent to me. So 494 solid lifter roller cam by Crane, 494 cubic inch stroker, all bolted up, and it has my original Holley 850, which was rebuilt and modified by Max Air Carbs and shipped to Mr. Jim Weiss so he can set it up for my 494 cubic inch stroker motor. Everything else is as was before I turned the car off, removed the battery, and parked it due to that weird engine noise I had, as you can see that in prior videos. But anyway, I'm very excited. My 494, and I think you guys are gonna like the color I chose for my 494. That's about it. And this is with my right hand holding. You see that slight shake? July the 6th of this year, I went into a coma. I was in that coma for 5 days, and it originated from a really, really bad asthma attack. And I did move from that house that was infested with mold, mildew, secondhand cigarette smoke, and possibly evident of lead. So far so good. I thank God. I still visit my kitty cats at least twice a week, every 4 days basically. So I'm getting ready to leave out, and I just wanted to hit you guys with this brief video. I thank y'all very much. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your likes and your dislikes. And this, I recently just temporarily put in this condition. Of course, I'm gonna get a better toggle and have this much neater than that. And that's for this red LED light strip that someone was throwing out at church. So I asked Bishop, could I take it? He said, yes, Brother Chris, please do. God bless you and your family, everyone. I'm very excited. Wish I could drive out of here right now with that 494 stroker, Stage-1 big block up in here. And God bless Mr. Weiss, T8 Performance, and their entire families. I really appreciate you, Mr. Jim Weiss of Tri-Shield Performance. Peace.